Look out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town. Everyone is inside.
Morning, everyone. So I'm on my way to work right now, and I actually forgot my gift that I was supposed to take for my co-worker for Secret Santa, and I'm just so embarrassed because it's like my first time there, and the day when we were supposed to exchange the gifts I wasn't there, and now the day when I promised to bring the gift I forgot it. Anyway, I'm just walking to work right now. I'm almost there. I'll chat with you guys when I get a chance throughout the day, but I doubt that will be a lot. So I will see you guys a bit later.
Getting ready to eat by the table.
There's Nelly.
You should also introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Akila.
You look good. I feel so bad ripping this open.
No, you mad. Don't feel bad at all. This is your gift. You can open it.
I'm actually very excited to film.
Yes, I'm excited for your part. Yo, that's cute. That's so cute. Yo, the rest is so nice. It's a gift. But you don't know who it's from.
No, it just said Secret Santa.
Okay,
It's
okay.
from Secret Santa.
Oh,
You can
that's
keep it
nice.
This is so nice.
That's nice. Is that a diary?
Yes.
Nice. Is it one of the gifts that was on your list? no?
Yes, it was. And then I have a vase. Oh yeah, I'm making a mess.
Let me see.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Yeah, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. So unique, no? Unique shape.
And I got
Is that candles?
Yeah, scented
Yo,
candles.
that's so nice.
oh wow, this is so nice.
That is so nice.
We don't know. We don't know what for.
Is it you?
No.
I'm suspecting you though. This is so nice.
Oh, that's
Oh, this
beautiful.
smells so good.
Can I smell it? Ah, it's almost like cinnamon. No?
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
Really nice, man. Yeah.
Guys, look who came through at work today. Let's say hi to the people.
Hey.
Guys, I'm not sure if you remember this one time I went out with a guy and he refused to be on camera. This is the guy that I went out with. It was last year, didn't it?
Yeah, around my birthday, I think.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, so it was last year, August.
Yeah.
Ah, nice to see you.
Likewise.
Hi guys. So I am back at home now and I'm so tired. I am so hungry. I didn't have lunch today. I was so late this morning when I woke up, so I didn't get a chance to make lunch. And now I'm trying to pour something that I'm gonna make for dinner. But whilst that's happening, I'm thinking of quickly doing my bedroom, because from my last vlog I didn't finish like completely cleaning my room. So that's what I want to do right now, and I really want to be quick with it because I don't have a lot of time and I still need to cook and edit this vlog before I go to bed. You guys, let me tell you about today. You guys, so let me tell you about today. I woke up, okay, last night I finished editing the makeup tutorial which went up today, and then I was exporting it, but it was already pretty late, so I went to sleep. Then I woke up in the middle of the night to check if it had finished exporting, and I saw, like, when it's done exporting, there's like a little window that says exporting or conversion complete, and then I saw a little window on the screen, but I didn't read it because it was literally in the middle of the night, so I just assumed that it finished exporting, right? And then I went back to bed. So today I woke up in the morning and I was like, okay, I'm gonna post like how I've been doing for Vlogmas, like very early in the morning before I go, only to see that the window was saying there's not enough space on my SD card. So I had to literally take my laptop with me to work, and I tried to finish exporting and uploading, but I was using my phone. I was hotspotting from my phone to upload the video, and it was just like taking forever. It literally took me, I'm not even exaggerating, 3 hours for the video to upload. Not to finish exporting, but to just upload on YouTube. That's why the video was up late today. So tonight I'm gonna make sure when I go to bed that everything is done, because I don't want a repeat of yesterday. Anyway, you guys, I'm just so hungry. I think I'm gonna get myself a snack before I do my room, and then we'll get started with the room.
I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now through that creaky old door, I couldn't want for
Okay, you guys, so I finally finished
anything
my
more.
room. I feel like it's so
It would stop me feeling sad, hurt and blue. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time
Okay, so now that
with
my
you.
room is all nice and clean and serene, I'm gonna make myself
Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. My Christmas should be with you.
Alright, you guys, so I just finished eating. You guys, that meal was so delicious, and now I am in bed. I'm ending off my night. I'm about to edit this video, and then I am gonna go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is it for today's vlog, and I will be seeing you guys in tomorrow's video. Please make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, and please make sure to like this video, and also do leave me a comment down below about anything and everything. Alright, you guys, see you tomorrow.